Thinking about installing an underground sprinkler system? Here's an overview of what you need to know before getting started. Check for any required permits and locate your utilities. To purchase the right components, you'll also have to determine specific information about your home, like your water pressure, the meter or well pump size, the service line size, and the flow rate. Sprinkler systems can have more than one watering zone to help with things like shrubs, flower beds, and fences. When mapping the sprinkler layout, consider these elements so you know how many watering zones you need. To create your layout, measure and map your yard to scale. Clearly mark your house, all permanent landscape features, water meter, and any sloped areas in the lawn. Create more than one version of the map to explore alternative layouts before you start digging. To avoid dry spots in your yard, plan sprinkler head placement so that the water coverage overlaps. There are different sprinkler heads for different coverage needs. When you're ready to get started, mark the layout in the yard with stakes and string. Place a flag where each sprinkler head will be. Then, dig trenches that are 6 to 12 inches deep along the string markers. Assemble and lay the pipe segments and connect everything to your water source. Once everything is in place, flush the system, test coverage, and adjust if needed. It takes careful planning to install an underground sprinkler system, but it's an addition that makes caring for your landscape easier.